If you think the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is just another mild facelift, think again. This is not a lazy mid-cycle refresh. Mazda went back to the drawing board and rebuilt one of their most important SUVs from the ground up. And in doing so, they just destroyed the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Let me show you why the compact SUV game just changed. Let's start with the design, because you will notice it immediately. The RAV4 looks blocky and aggressive. The CR-V looks safe and boring. The CX-5, it looks like art. Mazda sharpened and refined everything. The stance is lower, wider, and more planted. Up front, there is a bolder, more sculpted grille. Bigger, cleaner, more confident. It is framed by slim blade, like LED headlights that look like they were carved by a laser. Along the sides, the classic coupe-like sweep is still there, but the body panels are smoother. The creases are tighter, and the entire silhouette gives off serious premium vibes. While the RAV4 and CR-V chase utility, the CX-5 delivers beauty and function together. But here is where Mazda really wins. For the first time ever, the CX-5 gets a fully in-house hybrid system, built by Mazda for Mazda. This is not borrowed Toyota tech like everyone else uses. This is Mazda engineering through and through. At the heart of it is their brand new Skyactiv Z engine, a next-gen four-cylinder that officially kicks off Mazda's plan to retire their older engines. So why does this matter? Because Mazda is promising something the RAV4 and CR-V cannot. A hybrid that does not kill the fun. The RAV4 hybrid is efficient but numb. The CR-V hybrid is practical but boring. The CX-5 hybrid. Cleaner emissions, better fuel economy, and that classic connected responsive driving feel that Mazda fans love. This is not just about ticking the eco box, it is about proving you do not have to choose between efficiency and enjoyment. Mazda is also making life easier for buyers. Instead of flooding the market with confusing trim levels that differ by one or two features, they are streamlining the CX-5 range. Fewer trims, smarter packages, more standard equipment. Translation: less decision fatigue, more value for your money. Meanwhile, Toyota and Honda still make you decode spreadsheets to figure out what you are actually getting. And if you are wondering how important this car is, just look at the numbers. Globally, the CX-5 is a heavy hitter. In Australia, it was the third best-selling midsize SUV in 2023. Mazda knows this is their shot to move up and take down the leaders. Now, Mazda has not revealed every interior detail yet, but if their recent models are anything to go by, you can expect a cabin that is clean, calm, and driver-focused. Premium materials like soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal, and available leather will set the tone. A large high-res center display, a fully digital gauge cluster, wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and smart storage solutions will all be part of the package. It is minimal, but it is not basic. The RAV4 and CR-V feel like they were designed by committee. The CX-5 feels like it was designed by someone who actually cares. And of course, this is Mazda, so you know the driving experience is front and center. The CX-5 has always been one of the most engaging SUVs in its class, and now they are dialing that up. The hybrid powertrain brings smoother acceleration. The chassis has been retuned for sharper handling. The cabin is quieter. The ride is more refined. This is still the driver's crossover, just smarter, cleaner, and more comfortable than ever. The RAV4 and CR-V drive like appliances. The CX-5 drives like a Mazda.